I'm not sure if you have this question, but I don't get it why banks quote the interest rate on fixed deposit in the wrong manner. Or do they quote it on the wrong manner? Let's figure it out. Let's say, for example, you invest 1,000 rupees at the start of the year and the bank is giving you 6% interest every 6 months. Now, after 6 months, that 1,000 rupees would become 1060. And here's the thing, you're going to earn 6% for the another 6 months on that 1060 money. And the amount which you will get after 1 year is not 1120, it is going to be 1123.6. You're getting 3.6 extra. Why? Because you earn 6% of interest in the last 6 months on 1060. You earn interest on interest. So over here, if you calculate, your return will be 12.36%, 0.36% more, not 12%. But the interesting part is the banks, and there's a market convention, they will always quote as 12%, not 12.36%. Why? Think about it. If you were the banker and if you were to quote 12.36% to, let's say, me, I would say, hey, you know what? I want to invest only for 6 months. Why don't you give me 6.18%, half of it? And that is the reason why banks always quote 12% rather than 12.36%. And they say 12% compounded semi-annually every 6 months. There's also one more reason why they quote it that way. You see, there could be also investors who want to invest, let's say, just for 1 month or 3 months or 7 months. And that is the reason why banks use this approach in quoting the interest rates. And not just banks, by the way, even the bond market. There's something called as yield to maturity. Even those market use this convention for the same reason I told you. I hope you have clarity now, and with that understanding, I hope you will be able to make a better decision when it comes to investments.